Hello. In the last part A, I briefly talked about how to save flow analysis PDF file into the Access database. So this the another very useful feature of database save files. So here I'm talking about the more beneficial setup of how to organize all the worksheet I created. So when you have more tasks, more new works, so you will need to create more worksheets. How can you organize all these worksheets together, make it easy to use? That will be very challenging if you didn't organize that well. So what I did is I saved, try to put on one location in the network share, one file, and all the worksheet can be opened from the one Excel file. Actually, all the original files is saved in the Access database. Each time when you click the button, the file will be downloaded and saved to local folder, then open it. So this will guarantee all the users use the same version of the files. Also, the opened files can save as a temporary file that later can edit with more data. So once all the data was saved, the file will be automatically deleted from the system. So this the a full electronic record system I developed. You can see I have so many different worksheets for each functions. So on the top part is overall is like a, either autologous or allogenic or used functions. So for this first column, this all allogenic related works. And the second one is autologous related works. And the others about the flow cytometry testing, antibody record replies, and also uh, flow cytometry testing report data, all the flow cytometry controls, also freezer inventory. So this each button uh, will open a new file. So the programming actually use public variables. So each time you click one button, they will assign a different name to these variables. So then use this open file uh, program to download onto the temporary folder too. But before you do that one, the program will automatically clear out all the Excel files in the folder. That's guarantee you use the newly downloaded one. Let's test just like this IDM. So if we click the IDM, you can see they come here. The variable was assigned this name. The next one will go to call this open file. So this open file, that's download the files from database. So you see here, this if there's anything there, so they will delete the file. So this will delete the file, kill that one. So you look at this one, once you execute, you can see, yeah, so you see here, the file IDM before was deleted, not here. So right now you go to the worksheet folder. I create a database to hold the worksheet only. So that's will go to the worksheet. Just find the file and save to this temp folder. So right now you can see this save file. you go there, you can see it is saved to temp2 this file. So next folder, next will open that one automatically. So you see here at the background, this file already open. You can just open to use it. But then go back here. Let's finish this one. Clear the program. So that's under we have opened this file already. So this is the IDM. So how to enter patient's IDM and save the IDM result. So this is the program, how to open one and finish the work. Yeah, so from what I saw here is you can centralize every worksheet at one location. Everybody will download the current version to use. But how can you make it easy? People can remember to use which one to complete what tasks. So that's the key important design here. You may not be able to expect everybody can remember all the things you design. So for this to make this work easy, so I create one the least paperwork, like a single page or 2 pages workflow tracker. So people can make a simple documentation on the paper, each step finished, what's left to be done. So this at the end, this paper can be scanned and saved into the database tool. So this also cross-check with the electronic record which user with computer used. So let me show you one sample example I did. So I open this one Word file. It's workflow list. So for the file on the first page, you will put the date you start work on this one. Also, this is the patient label. When we have the patient entry, we print the patient label, we can put it here. So then all the information will be entered here. What's the diagnosis? What's the CIDR per kg target? So the dosing weight. This also, when people calculate dosing weight with electronic worksheets, they can write the dosing weight here. That's mean the work done. Also, who is the primary tag, who is the verifier. So this also initialed here. You know that worksheet was used and the result was calculated. So also this each days HPC apheresis product, do they have the procedure for testing or don't have it, but you have the product assets sample sheet for. So this what's the access number, who did the access, and so the same thing as if you have 4 days, you have all the document here. That means somebody completed the electronic record part. And then how many bags for each day? Who did you email the physicians for choosing bags for transplant? It's also scanned. If you scan this checklist, the patient checklist and consent. So also are the communication and the testing results. So all document on this one. Actually, it's the major role for this one is once you complete electronic worksheet task, so document here. That means the work was done, you will not forget. Once this form completed, you know all the work was saved in the database. So this will make work much easier for everybody. I want to add a little bit more information of this worksheet database. You can see I have current the worksheet lab worksheet database is open. Let me show you what's the database has there. So from here you can see the open one only have two tables. One is current in use worksheet. That's the you have this open one. You can see here sheet name, and each worksheet has a ID number, and the version is actually is by day, date and time. So that's the starting time what you used, and this is the same daytime, and also some document what the stopping date. So this is some what update you did. This is the file. Actually, each word you can see each one worksheet only has one file there. Such as this one, you can see this patient donor file. So this one is match this worksheet name. And also has this table. This table is all the uh, old not in use file was saved there too. So that's just the in case you got auditor try to check your update of your table or forms, how they will change. So the all the record will be here. You can see. So suppose you have this one. If you use the same number, you can see for the DW04 has so many upgrade, so many times upgrade. So these things you can document this one, what's the update date and what was changed here. So this is the way you can easy to management this uh, worksheet for auditing, also for your owner tracking. So this is the way to for the same token, you also can save all your scanned paper record, or such as you have custody form. Usually this on paper. You have to scan to PDF, so you can save like this way. You may also have the curve preservation curve data as PDF file. You can save it here too. So this will be the easy way to have a fully electronic record system. I hope this can help you. Let's go back to further. This is the programming part. It's very simple. You can see here, just define which folder you want to use. This define the what you will use DAO protocol method. So this one use the DAO programming. You just try to go to find the uh, files, and this will save the file to the C temp2 here. The folder you defined is temp2. And after that one, you want to open this file. So that's the IDM open. So this is the very short program, but very easy to use. Thank you for